So guys, we are on the correct coordinates. Now the turtle can take the pen and put it down and start to draw. So at first we need to begin the fill. So we will, or sorry, we have to choose the color. Okay, so fill color. So which color we will use, and we have to use black and white, but we have to use black, after that white, black, after that white, black, white, and so on. And here it should be in a different order. So I will show you the trick. So you can write here colors. It goes like this. It means these colors. Put it here. Okay, so these colors. Okay, and here you can you need to choose one of this. So but you have to choose black, after that white, black, white, black, white. Okay, so it means that anytime it will change, and we have to do it like this. You know that the row and column are two numbers, and it will change all the time. So row plus col. Okay, and this means what? The row will be 0, col will be 1, so it will be 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, and modulo 2. Do you remember? We spoke about modulo a lot in the previous course. So it means it will be 1 modulo 2. So how many times in 1 is 2? 0 times, correct? So, and the rest is 1. So it will be colors 1. Okay, and so on and so on. So the first one will be row is 0 and column is 0. So it will be 0 plus 0 will be 0 modulo 2. What is the rest? The rest is 0, correct? Because how many times is 2 in 0? 0 times, and 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. So the rest is 0. So it will be black, because here the result will be like this, 0. Correct? After that, the column will be 1. So it will be 0, 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 modulo 2. How many times is 2 in 1? 0 times again. But 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. And what is the rest to 1? 1. So here will be 1. So, and it's white. Okay. After that, row is still 0, but the column is 2. So it goes like this. 2 modulo 2. So how many times is 2 in 2? 1 time. Correct? So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. And what is the rest? 0. So it goes black. And so on and so on. And you can check if you goes like this. For example, the row will be 1 and the column will be 0. So you can check that it goes perfectly, because it choose white again, because the result will be 1. And so on and so on. So you can see that this is the correct solution. Okay. Because nobody, of course, nobody expected that you can think up this solution. Okay, you need to see it once, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and after that you will be able to use it in a different project, in different situation. That's why we learned that. Okay, so I hope you understand. So now we choose the correct color, and now we put here turtle begin fill. Because here we only choose the color, and here we will start to fill. Okay, so we will fill by the choose color. It only goes like this, begin fill. And now we need to create a square, but we have the code here. Correct? So I will put it like this, but it needs to go like this. Okay, we will create square with color. Okay, so perfect, everything is fine. But after that, in the end, we need to turtle and fill. okay, because we need to go to another position, so we need to start to fill, and of course we need to choose the color again, okay. So we end the fill, and here we need to turtle pen up again. Why? Because we will go up with the pen and we go another position, and we don't want to draw anything between the current position and the new position, okay. After that you go to the new position again, pen down, and you can draw something. Okay, so I hope, guys, it's clear. Now I will run it. Oh, perfect. So you can see here is the start position. It's minus 200 and 200. It goes here, and you can see we choose the color, start to fill. Okay, we have 8 rows, 8 columns, like here, 8 rows, 8 columns, and everything goes fine. So I hope, guys, you enjoy it. I hope you learn something new, because that's the most important thing, and we will see in another video.